Hello. If you are seeing this video, everyone has died. That well, didn't I? Hello. It's me. So the other week I got a letter. I'm hiding my address from the NHS, telling me to take part in the COVID-19 testing research study wave 2. This is given out at random. So far the only person I know that's received that letter is my aunt. I'm just going to take this face mask off and this little hat that I made. Okay, I got the testing kit today and we're going to go through it together as a sort of unpackaging video. Let's do it. Right, okay, so here's the bag. Here's some me in surgical gloves. I don't know where that light's coming from then. It's probably nothing. I've hidden my address. Where's the letter opener? It's over here. Oh. Right. Let's find an entry point. And let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is biological substance category B, and we have, what is that? Is that a fin? Just a load of bubble wrap, and there's some stickers, instructions. Yep, okay. Okay, so one of the first things it says to do is to buck your courier. This is the instructions. So I'm going to do that now. Fun times! Okay, so I'm on the courier website here and it says please do not undertake your test before you have a collection booked. Please do your test before 8 AM on the morning the courier is due. So basically I'm going to have to postpone the test till tomorrow, whenever. Okay. Bye. Okay, so the little book said that we've got to put it in the fridge for now. I haven't done the test yet, but better be safe than sorry. So I'm just going to move the salami and meatballs here, and then test there. Okay, that should be fine, I hope. So after all that, I'm going to leave it till whenever, and I think I'm going to go for a walk, get some exercises. Yeah. Oh wait, I've got some apple chips. Does anyone do this to their apples? Cut them into little chips. Actually, I shouldn't be doing this, should I? With my gloves.
The next day.
Now for the fun bit.
If it would walk my back. Give it a good swabbing.
How far do I need to go back?
You do it back of your throat, right? At the right end,
Mm. Okay, is that enough? Okay, just this. Content!
It's a well trodden path.
Okay, I'll go right up. 10 or 15 seconds. That was 10 or 15 seconds.
15 centimetres.
No, seconds, centimetres. Okay, that's it. We're done. We'll put the box in the fridge. This video is brought to you by Wheatsbit from Sainsbury's. Not really. quick costume change. That's the test done. I've poked around my mouth and nose. So we're just going to wait for the courier now. I'm going to go out for a run first, and then wait for the courier to arrive. I think I sent you a text. So now we wait to see if I've had COVID-19 or if I'm immune to the virus. I don't know, to be honest. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, dislike it anyway, I don't know. And if you really liked it, share it with your friends, you know, and leave a comment. I don't know. I'm not good at this YouTube thing because, you know, more stuff coming soon. Yeah, that's my phone.